Hi everyone, hope you're well. Just thought I'd do a quick behind the scenes video to show you what I'm working on today in the workshop. Got a three-way Pekos L-port ball valve, which has been degreased for oxygen service. So we've got the plastic on here just to keep everything clean and stop any contamination. We've got a Norbro 33 RDB40 spring return actuator on there, and we've got the Westlock limit switch box with the black and yellow beacon on top. And in this particular instance, the customer has asked us to fit them a MaxSeal IC04S solenoid. So we've had this plate made which fits between the actuator and the valve, so it mounts nicely on there. We've bent the stainless steel pipework and we've fitted it with stainless steel twin ferrule fittings. So quite a nice package this. All that's left to do is to test the solenoid, stroke the valve open and closed a few times, set the limit switch for the customer. And then what we've also done is we've just put a little label on here just to let the customer know which way the flow is through the valve. So we've got port A, C and B, which we've labelled up, and then we're telling the customer that the closed position, the flow will be A to C, and the open position, the flow will be B to C. So when it goes in the pipework, they put it in the right way around and they get the flow and the fail mode that they want. The only addition we could have made to this to make it a little bit better, in my opinion, is we could have added a three-way flow path beacon to the top of the Westlock rather than the open and close, and this would have actually indicated which way the flow was going through the valve. Nice little addition, but unfortunately in this particular instance the customer didn't want to go for that option, so we've got the black and yellow beacon on there. So just the testing left to do, then we can package this up and get it out the door tonight. Thanks very much for watching.